to our IELTS reading section video, and this part of the exam tests your ability to read and comprehend a passage. So what is a comprehension? Comprehension is what? Your reading passage, right? So this reading section focuses on comprehensions. So it's a challenging section, but with the right techniques, you can definitely improve your score. So if you are an IELTS student, you have landed on the right channel. So don't forget to subscribe, and in this video, I will share very important tips and tricks that can help you succeed on your test day. So number one tip is read the questions carefully. Read each question very carefully to make sure you understand what is being asked. पूछा क्या गया है, इसके लिए आपको क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से पढ़ने की जरूरत है. सेकेंड इज आइडेंटिफाई कीवर्ड्स. लुक फॉर कीवर्ड्स. जो भी अगर आप कंटेंट देख रहे हैं, आपको उसके अंदर कीवर्ड्स हाईलाइट करने हैं. दैट कैन help you identify the relevant parts of the text. Okay? And third is scan the text. Scan through the text to locate the relevant information for each question. So आपको scanning करने की जरूरत है, which is one of the techniques for reading passages. And you don't need to read the whole text in detail. No. And fourth is manage your time. Make sure you manage your time effectively to complete all questions within the given time limit. So आपको अपने टाइम को मैनेज करना होगा. टाइम को ध्यान में रखते हुए ही आपको क्वेश्चंस को आगे परस्यू करना है. Don't leave any blanks. If you are unsure about an answer, make an educated guess rather than leaving it blank. Sixth is pay attention to grammar and vocabulary. Some questions may test your grammar and vocabulary skills. So pay attention to these aspects of the test and work on them daily. अपनी ग्रामर पे, अपनी vocab में डेली काम करिए. आप न्यूज़पेपर्स पढ़ सकते हैं, अपनी ग्रामर की रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस पैरेलली कर सकते हैं. vocab के लिए जैसे मैंने बोला, आप न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग कर सकते हैं, या आप कुछ भी सोर्सेज रेफर करके आप अपने नोट्स क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, vocab अपनी और इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. बट one funda here is that you should use it, because if you don't use it, you ultimately lose it. Okay? And seventh point is be aware of question types. Very, very important. The reading section may include different types of questions. As I had mentioned in my listening section as well, I had stated that there are different types of questions. So it's very important that you should know what kinds of questions are being asked, like multiple choice questions, matching questions, true, false, not given. So make sure you understand the format of each question type. Then practice with authentic materials. Practice reading a variety of materials, जैसे कि articles हो गया, reports हो गया, academic papers हो गया, so that you develop your reading skills. And then you need to take feedback as well. After practicing, get feedback from a teacher, tutor, who can identify your gray areas where you can improve and overcome your weaknesses. So these are some of the major tips that should be taken into account for your IELTS reading exam. Overall, the key to success here is to practice regularly to level up your vocabulary. I will be coming with tips on different sections, and I hope you found this video as well very helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. And a positive note for you all before ending this video, that stay positive, work hard, and make it happen. Bye-bye.